Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best dog wash gloves is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner looking to make bath time a more enjoyable and efficient experience for both themselves and their furry companions, transforming a potentially messy chore into a bonding opportunity while ensuring a thorough and gentle clean that leaves your dog looking and feeling their absolute best. Number 5. Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaning Wipes. Introducing our advanced ear cleaning wipes, specially formulated to gently clean and deodorize your dog's ears. They are safe for regular use, helping to maintain healthy ears. Regular use of these wipes can help minimize wax buildup and remove debris. This proactive care helps reduce the risk of ear infections, keeping your furry friend comfortable. We offer 100 convenient, soothing, and non-irritating disposable wipes. They are designed for dogs over 12 weeks old, making ear care simple and effective. Say goodbye to foul ear odors. These wipes help prevent infections, ensuring your dog remains happy and healthy without the need for medication. Proudly made in the USA in federally regulated facilities, our ear cleaning wipes guarantee the highest standards of quality and safety for your beloved pet. What we like? These wipes are designed for gentle and safe regular use. They help reduce the risk of ear infections and minimize wax buildup. If you have a dog prone to ear issues or want to maintain good ear hygiene, these are a great choice. What people say. The gloves are easy to use and effective for washing my dog. My dog loves the massage-like feel of the gloves during bath time. The gloves are durable and have held up well after multiple uses. Number 4. HANDSON Pet Grooming Gloves. Introducing the HANDSON Pet Grooming Gloves, your all-in-one solution for grooming, bathing, and de-shedding. These gloves are designed to be gentle yet effective for all your furry friends. Easily tackle shedding, bathing, and massaging with these flexible gloves. The gentle bristles ensure a comfortable grooming experience without any friction, no matter the fur length. Experience the original patented design with soothing rubber nodules that mimic a gentle touch. These gloves are built to handle all pet personalities and grooming needs. More than just a hair remover, these gloves stimulate circulation and distribute natural oils. Keep your hands clean and dry while providing a professional grooming experience. Built to last, these gloves are highly durable for heavy use. Simply rinse them off or toss them in the washing machine for effortless cleaning. Your pets will love the one-on-one attention with these grooming gloves. They're perfect for washing, de-shedding, and providing a relaxing massage. What we like? This is the original patented grooming glove, designed for comfort and effectiveness. It handles all hair types and can be used for shedding, bathing, and massaging. If you're looking for a versatile tool that pets love and is easy to clean, this is the one. What people say. The gloves are very effective at removing loose fur during bath time. The textured surface provides a good grip on the dog, making it easier to wash them thoroughly. They are easy to rinse out and dry quickly after use. Number 3. KENNELS and KATS Pet Grooming Gloves. Give your furry friend the ultimate pampering experience with a grooming glove they'll adore. It's designed for comfortable, practical grooming, keeping tangles and mats at bay while enhancing their coat's natural shine and softness. This is a perfect opportunity to bond with your pet. Featuring more silicone tips than any other glove, ours gently detangles fur and removes dirt. The flexible tips stimulate their skin, improving circulation and distributing natural oils for a beautifully shiny coat. It provides a relaxing, spa-like massage. Say goodbye to loose fur scattered all over your home and clothes. Our specially designed silicone tips easily collect shedding fur. You can even use them to remove hair from furniture and fabrics, making it a versatile tool for grooming and hair removal. Crafted with breathable mesh and elastic fabric, these gloves ensure a comfortable fit for most hand sizes. They are made without BPA and feature durable double stitching for long-lasting use. Enjoy hours of quality grooming time together. We've worked hard to create the best grooming glove set for pets of all sizes and hair types. We want you to feel confident in your purchase and enjoy using our products. What we like? Boasting more silicone tips than any other glove on the market, this product excels at detangling and collecting loose fur. It also offers a comfortable, breathable fit for extended grooming sessions. If you want a highly effective, mess-free grooming experience and a great bonding opportunity, consider this option. What people say. The gloves are very effective at removing loose fur and dirt. They fit well and are comfortable to wear during bath time. The textured surface helps to gently scrub the dog's coat, making cleaning easier. Number 2. Pecute Pet Grooming Gloves. Introducing the Pecute Pet Grooming Gloves, designed to make bath time a breeze. These innovative gloves combine brushing and petting for a seamless grooming experience. Featuring over 3,000 high-density silicone bristles, these gloves create rich lather to deeply cleanse your pet's skin. They ensure a thorough yet gentle clean, protecting your pet's health. Crafted from premium, non-toxic silicone, these gloves are incredibly durable and elastic. They can even be sterilized with boiling water, offering excellent heat resistance for your peace of mind. The anti-skid bumps inside an extended design ensure a snug fit, preventing slippage during baths. You can groom your pet with confidence, without constant adjustments. Perfect for dogs, cats, and rabbits, these gloves are ideal for all furry friends. Beyond pet grooming, they're also handy for cleaning household items, cars, and more. Designed with a hanging hole, these gloves can be easily stored away when not in use. Save space and keep your grooming area tidy. What we like? This glove combines a cleaning brush and glove, featuring high-density soft brush heads for deep cleaning and foam creation. It's made of premium, heat-resistant silicone. If you need a durable, easy-to-use glove for bathing and massaging that can even be sterilized with boiling water, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The gloves are very effective at removing loose fur during bath time. The textured surface of the gloves provides a good grip on the dog, preventing slips. The design allows for easy rinsing and cleaning of the gloves after use. Number 1. VavoPaw Pet Grooming Gloves. Meet the VavoPaw Pet Grooming Gloves, your new best friend for pet care. These gloves are designed for ultimate comfort and effectiveness. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these gloves are incredibly durable, safe, and gentle on your pet's skin. They offer a soft and comfortable experience for both you and your furry friend. Beyond bathing and grooming, these versatile gloves are perfect for various household tasks. Use them to clean your bathroom, kitchen, or even wash dishes and produce. The innovative 5-finger design allows you to easily reach every part of your pet's body, from their face to their tail. This ensures a thorough and gentle grooming session every time. Featuring dense brush heads, these gloves effortlessly capture loose pet hair. The non-slip particles inside provide a secure grip, preventing any accidental slips during use. Cleaning is a breeze, simply peel off the collected hair and rinse. For convenient storage, utilize the integrated eyelet to hang them up when not in use. What we like? Made from food-grade silicone with high-density brush heads, this glove is designed for efficient bathing and grooming. Its 5-finger design allows for thorough cleaning, and it's easy to clean and store. If you're looking for a safe, comfortable, and multifunctional glove for bathing, grooming, and even household cleaning, this is a great value. What people say. These gloves are great for washing my dog. They make it easy to get into all the nooks and crannies. The textured surface of the gloves helps to loosen dirt and debris, making bath time more effective. My dog doesn't seem to mind the gloves as much as a brush, which makes bath time a lot less stressful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.